How to change site ownership in Squarespace. To do that, you need to head over right here into the actual Squarespace website. Now, into this, what we can do is we first need to head over to your left sidebar, and in here you can see your settings icon. Click on that, and from in there, you should be able to see in here this. So what we can do is we can click onto this permissions and ownership. Click onto this option right here. And in here, click onto this invite contributor. So click on that and then make sure to verify first or log in into your Squarespace to verify that it's you who's making this change. Once you have verified that it's you, you can click onto this invite again and then proceed to log in. From in there, this will open in here this window, so you can just input the name of the contributor as well as their email address. For example, let's input right here my address, then add them as an administrator and click on invite. After we have done that, you can head over and click onto this transfer ownership, log in into our Squarespace again. Once you have done that, this will open right here this window. Choose right here the new owner that you wish to use, and after that, click on continue. So that's how you change site ownership in Squarespace. Hope we helped.